From the farm to your plate, discover the meticulous process that transforms live chickens into the tasty chicken breasts we love. Let's dive into the fascinating world of large-scale chicken breast production. The journey of a chicken breast from the farm to your dining table begins with the careful selection of chickens. This crucial step ensures that only the healthiest and most suitable birds are chosen for processing, guaranteeing the quality and safety of the final product. The selection process involves collaboration between farmers and processing factories, adhering to stringent guidelines to raise chickens in optimal conditions. The first phase of selection starts at the farm, where chickens are raised in large, climate-controlled barns designed to promote healthy growth. These barns are equipped with advanced systems to regulate temperature, humidity, and lighting, creating an environment that mimics natural conditions while protecting the birds from external threats. The welfare of the chickens is paramount, and farmers invest heavily in maintaining these controlled environments. Chickens are typically raised from hatchlings, and their growth is closely monitored. They are fed a balanced diet formulated by animal nutritionists to provide all the necessary proteins, vitamins, and minerals. This diet is essential for promoting rapid growth and maintaining the health of the birds. The feed is free from antibiotics and growth hormones, reflecting the industry's commitment to natural and safe farming practices. To ensure the chickens are healthy, farms implement rigorous health management programs. These programs include regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, and biosecurity measures to prevent the spread of diseases. Farmers work with veterinary experts to develop health plans tailored to the specific needs of their flocks. These plans cover everything from disease prevention to treatment protocols, ensuring that any health issues are promptly addressed. Biosecurity is a critical aspect of chicken farming. Farms are often isolated from other livestock operations to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. Strict hygiene practices are followed, including disinfecting equipment and limiting access to the barns. Workers and visitors must adhere to biosecurity protocols, such as wearing protective clothing and footwear, to prevent the introduction of pathogens. Throughout their growth, chickens are monitored using advanced technology. Farmers use automated systems to track feed consumption, water intake, and overall health metrics. These systems provide real-time data, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about managing their flocks. For instance, if a drop in feed intake is detected, it could indicate a health issue that needs immediate attention. In addition to automated monitoring, farmers conduct regular physical inspections. They check for signs of illness, injury, or abnormal behavior. Any chicken showing symptoms of disease is quarantined and treated to prevent the spread of infection. These inspections also help farmers assess the overall well-being of their flocks and make necessary adjustments to their care practices. When chickens reach the appropriate age and weight, typically around 6 to 8 weeks, they are evaluated for selection. The selection criteria include size, health, and overall condition. Only chickens that meet these criteria are chosen for processing. The birds are assessed for any physical defects or health issues that could affect the quality of the meat. Size is a crucial factor in selection. Chickens that are too small or too large may not meet the processing standards. The ideal weight range ensures that the birds yield the optimal amount of meat without compromising quality. Health is equally important, as only healthy chickens can produce safe and high-quality meat. Birds with any signs of illness or abnormalities are excluded from the selection process. The meticulous selection process is fundamental to producing high-quality chicken breasts. By choosing only the healthiest and best-sized birds, factories can ensure that the final product meets consumer expectations for taste, texture, and safety. This careful attention to detail at the farm level is the first step in a comprehensive quality control system that continues throughout the processing chain. In conclusion, the selection of chickens is a complex and critical phase in chicken breast production. It involves advanced farming practices, stringent health management, and careful transport logistics. By prioritizing the welfare and health of the birds, farmers and factories work together to deliver safe, nutritious, and delicious chicken breasts to consumers around the world. Transporting chickens from the farm to the slaughterhouse is a crucial phase in the chicken breast production process. This stage requires careful planning and execution to ensure the welfare of the chickens and maintain the quality of the meat. The journey begins with the collection of chickens from the barns and ends when they arrive at the slaughterhouse ready for processing. The process starts with the careful collection of chickens from the farms. Workers, often referred to as catchers, are trained to handle the birds gently to minimize stress and injury. They work during the early morning or late evening hours when temperatures are cooler, reducing the risk of heat stress for the chickens. The catchers gather the chickens by hand, ensuring each bird is handled with care to prevent bruising or other injuries. Once collected, the chickens are placed into transport crates. These crates are specially designed to provide ample ventilation and space, ensuring the birds remain comfortable during the journey. The crates are then loaded onto transport trucks, equipped with climate control systems to maintain a stable temperature throughout the trip. The trucks are also designed to allow for good airflow, further ensuring the chickens' comfort. The transportation phase is critical for maintaining the welfare of the chickens and the quality of the meat. The route and timing of the transport are carefully planned to minimize the duration of the journey. Typically, the slaughterhouses are located relatively close to the farms to reduce travel time. This proximity helps minimize stress on the chickens and ensures they arrive in good condition. During transport, the trucks are monitored to maintain optimal conditions. Drivers are trained to handle the vehicles smoothly, avoiding sudden stops or sharp turns that could cause the chickens to become agitated. Regular checks are performed to ensure the temperature and ventilation systems are functioning correctly, keeping the environment inside the truck consistent and comfortable. Upon arrival at the slaughterhouse, the chickens are given a brief rest period. This rest period is crucial as it helps to reduce the stress of transport and allows the birds to settle before processing begins. The holding areas at the slaughterhouse are designed to be calm and quiet, with controlled lighting and ventilation to keep the chickens comfortable. The holding areas are equipped with systems to provide fresh air and maintain a stable temperature. The chickens are kept in their transport crates, which are placed on racks or conveyors for easy handling. This setup ensures that the chickens are not overcrowded and have enough space to move around slightly, further reducing stress. The transition from the holding area to the processing line is managed with care to maintain the welfare of the chickens. Workers trained in animal handling move the chickens from the transport crates to the processing line smoothly and efficiently. This transition is designed to be as stress-free as possible, using gentle handling techniques and minimizing noise and sudden movements. The entire farm-to-slaughterhouse process is designed to be as humane and efficient as possible. By minimizing stress and ensuring the welfare of the chickens, the factories can produce higher quality meat while adhering to animal welfare standards. The careful handling and transport of the chickens play a vital role in maintaining the quality and safety of the final product. In conclusion, the journey from the farm to the slaughterhouse is a critical phase in the production of chicken breasts. It involves meticulous planning, gentle handling, and efficient transport logistics to ensure the chicken's welfare and the meat's quality. By prioritizing these factors, the industry can deliver high-quality, safe, and tasty chicken breasts to consumers. The slaughtering process is a critical step in chicken breast production, carried out with precision and care to ensure high standards of hygiene and animal welfare. It begins with rendering the chickens unconscious using a method known as electrical stunning. This process is designed to be quick and humane, ensuring the birds do not experience pain during slaughter. Once the chickens are stunned, they move along an automated processing line. The first step involves making a precise cut to the neck, which allows the blood to drain rapidly. This method is essential for both ethical and quality reasons, as it ensures the chickens are treated humanely and the meat remains tender and uncontaminated by blood. After the initial cut, the chickens proceed through a series of steps designed to prepare them for further processing. The carcasses are quickly transferred to a scalding tank where they are immersed in hot water. This step helps to loosen the feathers, making them easier to remove. Following the scalding, the chickens enter a mechanical plucking machine that efficiently removes the feathers, leaving clean, bare carcasses. Throughout the slaughtering process, stringent hygiene measures are maintained. Workers wear protective gear, and the equipment is regularly sanitized to prevent any risk of contamination. Inspectors monitor the process closely to ensure that each step meets strict regulatory standards for food safety and animal welfare. The entire slaughtering process is designed to be efficient, humane, and hygienic, ensuring that the chickens are processed quickly and safely. This careful attention to detail ensures that the resulting chicken breasts are of the highest quality, ready for the next stages of production. The chilling process is a crucial step in preserving the quality and safety of the chicken meat. After slaughtering and feather removal, the chickens are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for chilling. This step ensures that any residual, blood, feathers, or contaminants are removed, maintaining high hygiene standards. There are two primary methods of chilling: immersion chilling and air chilling. In immersion chilling, the chickens are placed in large tanks filled with ice-cold water. This method rapidly lowers the internal temperature of the carcasses to below 40 degrees Celsius, inhibiting bacterial growth and ensuring the meat stays fresh. The cold water circulates around the chickens, cooling them evenly and quickly. In contrast, air chilling involves hanging the chickens in cold air chambers. Cold, dry air is circulated around the carcasses, lowering their temperature. Air chilling reduces the risk of cross-contamination between birds, as each chicken is cooled individually. This method also tends to result in a slightly firmer texture, which some consumers prefer. Both methods aim to bring the temperature of the chicken carcasses down swiftly to prevent spoilage and maintain food safety. The chilling process typically takes about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of the chickens and the specific chilling method used. Throughout the chilling process, strict monitoring ensures that the temperature remains consistent and within safe limits. This attention to detail helps to preserve the quality of the meat, preventing any growth of harmful bacteria, and ensuring the chicken breasts remain fresh and safe for consumption. In conclusion, chilling is a vital step that ensures the chicken meat is properly cooled and preserved, maintaining its safety and quality as it moves on to the next stages of processing. Deboning and trimming are essential stages in chicken breast production, blending advanced technology with skilled labor to ensure precision and efficiency. These processes transform whole chicken carcasses into the boneless, skinless chicken breasts that consumers love. After chilling, the chickens are moved to the deboning and trimming section. The first step involves separating the wings and legs from the carcass, which are processed separately for other products. This segmentation is done using automated machines that make precise cuts, ensuring minimal waste and optimal yield. The deboning process involves placing the chicken carcasses on a conveyor system that moves them through various cutting stages. Advanced automated machinery, equipped with sensors and specialized blades, separates the breast meat from the bones. These machines perform specific cuts that maximize meat recovery while minimizing bone and cartilage in the final product. Automation in deboning increases efficiency and ensures consistency in meat quality. Each machine is calibrated for precise cuts, ensuring uniform size and shape for every chicken breast. This consistency is crucial for meeting consumer expectations and facilitating further processing steps like packaging and marinating. Despite advanced machinery, skilled manual labor remains vital in the deboning and trimming process. Workers, known as meat cutters or trimmers, ensure the final product meets high-quality standards. They use knives and cutting tools with precision, making fine adjustments that machines might miss. Trimmers inspect each chicken breast, removing any remaining bones, cartilage, or unwanted fat. They also trim the meat to the desired shape and size, ensuring it is free from imperfections. This manual inspection and trimming process is essential for maintaining the quality and appearance of the chicken breasts, directly impacting consumer satisfaction. Quality control is integral to every stage of deboning and trimming. Inspectors monitor the production line to ensure procedures are followed correctly and machinery functions properly. Regular checks verify that the meat is free from contamination and that cuts are precise. Each chicken breast undergoes a final inspection before moving on to the next production stage. Inspectors check for remaining bones, cartilage, or excess fat, and ensure the meat meets weight and size specifications. Pieces that do not meet standards are reprocessed or discarded, ensuring only the highest quality products reach consumers. Some factories use advanced techniques to enhance efficiency and quality, including water jets for cutting and ultrasonic knives, which reduce strain on workers and increase cut precision. Innovations in automation and robotics continue to improve the deboning and trimming process, making it faster and more efficient. Efficient waste management is also crucial in deboning and trimming. Factories aim to minimize waste by recovering as much meat as possible from each chicken. Bones, cartilage, and other byproducts are collected and processed into pet food, animal feed, or other products, ensuring no part of the chicken goes to waste. In conclusion, deboning and trimming are critical steps in chicken breast production, combining advanced technology and skilled manual labor to ensure high-quality meat. These processes guarantee that the meat is free from bones and imperfections, ready for further processing or packaging. Through meticulous attention to detail and continuous innovation, factories deliver delicious, high-quality chicken breasts to consumers. Marinating and seasoning enhance the flavor and tenderness of chicken breasts, making them more appealing to consumers. In large-scale factories, this process is streamlined for consistency and efficiency. Chicken breasts are placed in large tumblers or injectors, where they are infused with a blend of marinades and seasonings. These mixtures can include various herbs, spices, and liquids, tailored to different flavor profiles. The tumblers ensure even distribution of the marinade, while the injectors allow for deeper penetration of the flavors. This not only enhances the taste, but also helps to tenderize the meat, making it juicier. The marinated chicken breasts are then ready for packaging, offering a convenient and flavorful option for consumers. Quality control is essential in chicken breast production, ensuring every piece of meat meets high standards of safety, hygiene, and quality. This process involves rigorous testing and inspections at each production stage. Quality control begins at the farm with the selection of healthy chickens. Upon arrival at the processing facility, chickens undergo thorough inspections for illness or defects, ensuring only the best birds proceed. Throughout production, continuous monitoring made. Each batch of chicken breasts is meticulously documented and tracked from the farm to the tain's high standards. Inspectors oversee each stage: slaughtering, chilling, deboning, and trimming, ensuring compliance with hygiene and safety regulations. Automated systems monitor temperature, humidity, and processing times, providing real-time data for immediate corrective actions if needed. Microbial testing at various stages checks for pathogens like Salmonella and Campylobacter. On-site laboratories with advanced tools perform rapid tests, allowing factories to promptly address contamination issues. Chemical analysis verifies that chicken breasts meet nutritional standards and are free from harmful residues like pesticides or antibiotics. This compliance is vital for consumer trust and regulatory adherence. Before packaging, final inspections ensure the meat is free from defects, such as bones or excess fat, and meets size and weight requirements. Any substandard pieces are reprocessed or discarded. Each batch of chicken breasts is meticulously documented and tracked from the farm to the final product, ensuring complete transparency and traceability. This helps identify and resolve any issues promptly. In conclusion, quality control in chicken breast production involves thorough inspections, continuous monitoring, and comprehensive testing to ensure safety, hygiene, and quality, meeting consumer expectations and regulatory standards. Packaging is playing a crucial role in ensuring the meat remains fresh, safe, and ready for consumer use. Factories employ advanced packaging machinery and techniques to maintain hygiene and efficiency throughout this stage. The process begins with portioning the chicken breast to meet specific size and weight requirements. Automated machines handle this task with precision, ensuring uniformity in each package. Consistent portion sizes are essential for consumer convenience and meet retail standards. There are several packaging methods used to keep chicken breasts fresh. One common method is vacuum sealing, where the chicken breasts are placed in airtight plastic bags. Vacuum sealing removes air from the package, significantly extending the shelf life by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and reducing freezer burn. Another popular method is tray packaging. Chicken breasts are placed on foam or plastic trays and then wrapped with a tight layer of plastic film. This method is widely used for retail display as it allows consumers to see the product clearly while keeping it protected. For marinated or seasoned chicken breasts, additional steps are taken to ensure the marinade or seasoning is evenly distributed and sealed within the package. This might involve additional vacuum sealing or specialized trays that hold the marinade without leaking. Each package is then labeled with essential information, including the product name, weight, expiration date, and nutritional facts. Labels also include tracking codes that provide information about the production batch and origin, ensuring traceability and transparency for quality control purposes. Maintaining hygiene during the packaging process is paramount. Packaging areas are kept sterile, and workers follow strict sanitation protocols, wearing protective clothing and using sanitized equipment. Regular checks are conducted to ensure that the packaging machinery is clean and functioning correctly. In conclusion, packaging is a vital stage in chicken breast production that ensures the product remains fresh, safe, and appealing to consumers. Through precise portioning, advanced packaging methods, and strict hygiene standards, factories deliver high-quality chicken breasts ready for retail and consumer use. Distribution is the final phase of the chicken breast production process, ensuring that the packaged products reach consumers while maintaining their quality and safety. Once packaged, the chicken breasts are stored in temperature-controlled environments to preserve freshness. Refrigerated trucks play a critical role in distribution, keeping the chicken breast at a safe temperature during transport. These trucks are equipped with advanced cooling systems to maintain the required temperature, preventing spoilage and ensuring food safety. The logistics network is designed for efficiency, minimizing the time between packaging and delivery. Distribution centers strategically located near production facilities help streamline the process. From these centers, chicken breasts are dispatched to retailers, food service providers, and other outlets. Throughout the distribution process, maintaining the cold chain is essential. Regular checks and monitoring systems ensure that the temperature remains consistent from the factory to the retailer. This careful handling ensures that consumers receive fresh, high-quality chicken breasts. In conclusion, efficient distribution ensures that chicken breasts remain fresh and safe from the production facility to the consumer's table. By maintaining strict temperature controls and efficient logistics, factories deliver high-quality products ready for purchase and consumption. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from farm to factory resulting in the tasty chicken breasts we all love. If you want to explore more exciting squirrel farm stories and innovative ways in food production, watch our next video.